So I got this glasses case with glasses cleaner, and it comes in a durable container. The exterior is very nice and comfortable. Even the interior has a suede kind of feel to it with fresh and natural designs. And it's really nice because I love flowers. So this just works perfectly for me. It's such a practical and beautiful gift that you can give your loved ones, you can give your friends, and it just works so nicely. I like the cleaner because I can take my glasses and it really cleans my glasses well. It has a satin finish to it, so it removes all the dirt and all the debris. You can see my glasses, it's cleaning it so nicely. And I also love the fact that after cleaning my glasses with the cleaner, I can put it even back into the case and everything is together. Now, this case is very dainty, it's very feminine, but they do have different ones and different looks, of course. I absolutely love the fact that it also fits perfectly in my purse. And so when I'm ready to go, I'm going out in style. I absolutely love it.